Happy Friday. I hope that you had a great week and that you all were able to get rid of all of that extra candy from Halloween and get back into the swing of a little bit more normalcy after a couple weeks with Roman Day and Halloween. We had a great college week here. I did take a lot of pictures, so I'll be sure to send those out within the next couple of days. And so I appreciate everybody who participated in College Week. It was a lot of fun for the kids. This week for reading, we worked on understanding different elements between plays, chapters, or excuse me, plays, prose, and poetry. And the kiddos got to do a lot of different interactions with all of the different text types. They did a great job with a reader's theater play, and all had to read a script and act out their parts, and they had a lot of fun with it. Also this week, we continue to study life cycles in science, and the students are loving watching their seeds grow in class, and a majority of them have sprouted, and so they're very anxious to watch what happens over the weekend. For math, we're still working heavily on multiplication and division with word problems, so we appreciate all of the extra support you're giving the kiddos at home and the extra practice. Starting Monday for my personal math class, if the kids are in my math class, they'll start with paper homework on Monday. Aside from that, they continued awesome informational writing. We went through the full writing process and peer editing this week, and they just worked really hard this week. We're still really working on building independence and just flexibility when things are a little bit different in our schedules, and working on scholarly behavior, and they're doing a great job. Aside from that, I hope that you guys have a great weekend, and make sure to read my email. I did include some information about original works and yearbooks and some of those other exciting events that are coming up. And then finally, if anybody has extra Clorox wipes or antibacterial wipes around the house, we are going through them like crazy here in class, with wiping everything down before win, after win, before math, after math. And so we have been going through them like crazy. So any donations would be greatly appreciated. I hope that you have a great weekend, and please reach out with any questions or concerns.